Hey guys, I'm Viraj from European Automotive Experts. Customer complaint is vehicle not starting. Inspect and found no fuel delivery to the fuel rail. Fuel pump location is under the second row seat driver side. To get to the fuel pump, need to remove the metal cover. Easy way to remove the metal cover is heating up thick sealant layer.
So guys, you can see now. So to remove this cover, so just heat up around. Before heats up, so I took my blade. And cut it through the sealant around to make easily take the cap once it heats up. So just heats up around and put your chisel or whatever and heats up and take out one by one. So when it heats up, it will come easily. So this is the fuel filter side, that's the fuel pump. So I'm going to replace both fuel filter and the pump.
I'm going to check the power supply to the fuel pump using hotel power probe. So it's confirmed electrical system is functioning as expected. Also I have given power supply to the fuel pump and confirm faulty fuel pump.
I have used universal fuel cap remover, so you can adjust the length of the fuel cap nut, plastic nut, so you can remove easily. So but I'm recommend to use the genuine one, so you can remove easily as well. But this one also it's not too tight, so it's cracked the tight. So I have drained the most of the fuel out of the tank. So tank is clean, there's no any dirt inside the tank. So I'm not gonna clean the tank. So just drain out some fuel, so I can put my hand inside and can disconnect some hoses easily. So this is pretty much easy to take out the fuel pump from the tank. So just a couple of pipe need to disconnect from the fuel pump. I'll show you guys. So I just remove the main feed pipe to the engine, this pipe. So here just need to press down and press it and pull it back. So we have to make sure this one press down a little bit, release the lock mechanism inside and push down this button and take out. It's very easy. And other hoses you have to disconnect. The small one, just disconnect like that, like this. Big one as well, disconnect from like that. There's another one. Take it like that. And that's it. So just need to come out of the tank. That's it. So I'll show you that as well. So I had to use my two hands, so I'm going to switch off the camera.
To remove the main fuel supply pipe, you need to push and then press the two tabs and pull the pipe. If the pipe is stuck, try to using a pick and then remove the pipe. You can see now I just removed the fuel pump assembly as well.
So I just removed the fuel filter. So it's all the piping, which you can see the piping, and there's a wire, it goes to there. So it's better using the rope, just tied up the end of the fuel pipe and take from there and take out this one. So meantime you can, so it won't lose the part of the fuel pipe which goes to there. So I'm gonna use rope to just tie up, take out the pump from there, so it's not gonna be lose the part of the fuel pipes going through the fuel tank inside. So I tie up like this. So I'm gonna take out from there. So same way, same routing, same pipe routing, I can put the new one also. So middle of the fuel tank there's like tunnel, two holes, like two separate pathways. So I don't want to remove without any rope. So it will make job easy. So I'm going to replace the new cap, new two caps, and the thread, this plastic thread also is better to replace because of the fuel. So I install new ring thread plastic other side as well. So I'm gonna replace the new plastic nut for the fuel pipe and fuel filter housing and new seals. So first I'm gonna install fuel filter housing. So it should be install that one, then fuel pump. So this is the fuel filter housing. So this is the end. So I'm gonna tie up this wire to this end. So then after that I pull it from there. So it'll come like same path, same routine before the old one was sitting. So you can see now I'm gonna pull the caliper from there, so it'll go very easily. So you need your both hand to do this. So I'm gonna switch off the camera. So I have fixed all the pipes and all the feed pipe and all the suction pipe for the fuel pump, as you can see. So another one here, one, and the main one, and there's a two pipe behind there. That's it. So make sure the floater is free, it doesn't get stuck any firing or anything.
Also connect the two electrical connectors for the fuel pump and fuel level sender to the back of main electrical housing.